Hi guys, good accent. We love a melodic accent, especially when it is gold. You thin spring burst to a point, a mix of dentally and sightly. Thinker gold lands on each nail to a constructed with the main colors of the design. Says ally manicurist Queen's Hagley. Tortoise shell with a colors. Elevate the classical tortoise design with a bold. Considering colors, whether it is a bright red or a neon green, this additional ele- element is sure to make statement. To get this look, mix a clear top coat with a light brown or a mustard yellow colors to think out the colors as a base. Say then add some black in spots a layer again with the thinned out base colors may mix from before. Lastly, choose a pop of colors to contract with the tortoise shell. Fall gradients. Bump up a classical French manicure with gradient tips within the same colors family. Encourage nail interested and beginner alike to dye this far themeless to make it easy for your use. One of them keep is tonal over like cats from a nail in gold fall. Take home the gold literally with a French manicure. With a home so shiny tips. Choose any healthy reds of oranges and a point of French. Use gold that fall will easy stick to use fall gel. Los Angeles based manicurist Rachel uh, Josephic says she sell the fall in with structures gel and a top cost and white nail polish. You may will have on a head